In this video, we're going to show you how to install the grille on your Nissan Versa located on the front side of your vehicle. Now, once you have your hood open, you want to go ahead and remove this upper cover right here. We want to use our Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to remove the centers of our buttons here. Yours might be a little bit different. Either way, you want to start by removing these here. And use our trim tool. Pop these out, set those aside. We're going to continue to remove the rest of the trim buttons here, securing this. Once we have the buttons removed, we can go ahead and lift up on this cover. And on the top center of the grille, we're going to have two more clips right here. These particular ones also use the Phillips head. Okay, lift those up. Pop those out, and then on the outer edges there are a couple more clips or buttons, whatever you want to call these things. Sometimes they can be buggers. Pop it out and do the same for the other side. On the bottom side of your grille, on each side, there's going to be 3 locking tabs. And what you're going to do is you're going to reach behind the grille and you're going to press up on the bottom side of the clip, starting at one end, and pull the grille out. And you're going to go to the next one, push that, and then the same thing here, push it out. And as you work across and you get to the other side, you can continue the process on this side until that grille pops out for you. Now, with those clips removed, you can gently pull the grille upward, and you're going to reach down inside. Push up on that little lock tab and start to pull the grille out and work your way inward. And I already got the passenger side unlocked. Let's go ahead and do it for the driver's side. And remove the grille. On the back side of the grille, we want to go ahead and pop off the Nissan emblem off the front. So we're going to use our pocket screwdriver on the 2 sides here of these little ears or tabs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my pocket screwdriver and just go behind there and gently pry up. And at the same time, I'm going to use my finger and I'm going to push in on this tab, pushing it in and through. All right, got one through. We're going to do the same over here. And on the top and bottom, there are no tabs. You're just going to push those lock tabs through and simply catch that emblem on the front side and pop that off. Now, before installing our old emblem on the new grille, you can go ahead and just give it a quick cleaning. If you have a new emblem, go ahead and take that out of the package, and I'm going to go ahead and get that installed. And all you're going to do is line this up. I'm going to push those tabs through. We'll go ahead and flip that over. Just make sure that all of your tabs are pushed through and locked into place. Once that's good, we'll go ahead and reinstall the grill. Installing the grill, you want to go ahead and install the 6 tabs that are on the bottom side of your grill into the bumper. And then just gently push it in. And push those in until it locks into place. At this point here, we can install our 4 buttons across the top. Install the plastic retainers to hold the center portion of the grill. Now that we have the 2 center buttons in, we'll go ahead and install the 2 on the outer edges. Install the upper cover here. You want to make sure you can get it around your windshield washer cover here. So sometimes it's easier just to pop that lid. Bring that down. We want to lift up on our air intake component here, working this over and in. Pop that down into place, pop that cover back on. Once this is in place, let's go ahead and install the plastic pushpins, securing everything in place. I'm going to start with our air intake here. And we'll just continue around here, pushing in our buttons. There you have it, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.